Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Tesla Model 3 drive by itself. First, confirm your vehicle has the required hardware, which includes multiple cameras and sensors. Navigate to the Autopilot menu on your car's large touchscreen. Here, you can enable or disable various driver assistance features. It's important to distinguish between standard Autopilot and the more advanced full self-driving capability, as they offer different levels of automation. To use basic Autopilot, first engage traffic-aware cruise control by pulling the right stalk down one time. This will maintain your chosen speed and distance from the car ahead. For auto steer, pull the right stalk down 2 times in quick succession. Your Model 3 will then steer itself to stay within its lane, providing a more relaxed driving experience on highways. Remember to keep your hands on the wheel. Full self-driving, or FSD, expands upon basic Autopilot with more advanced capabilities. This includes navigating on city streets, making turns, and stopping at traffic lights and stop signs. FSD also handles complex situations like roundabouts. Accessing these features typically requires either a monthly subscription or a one-time purchase, unlocking a higher level of autonomous driving for your Model 3. While these features are impressive, it's crucial to remember that Autopilot and full self-driving are driver assistance systems. You must always remain attentive and ready to take control of your Model 3 at any moment. Keep your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road. These systems enhance safety and convenience, but they do not replace the driver's responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.